Some iPhone settings enhance user experience but can drain your battery and slow down your device. These settings use significant amount of your iPhone's resources, causing it to work harder than necessary. If you are frustrated with slow app downloads or pages taking too long to load, it might be the time to disable few of these resource intensive settings. Here are 4 iPhone settings that are responsible for slowing down your device. Just change these settings and you will find significant improvement in your iPhone speed and performance. Number 1. Background App Refresh. Background App Refresh is a powerful feature that keeps your apps updated even when you are not actively using them. It ensures that as soon as you open the app, the latest content and updates are ready for you. However, this convenience comes at a cost. It constantly fetches data in background and consumes significant resources and can slow down your device. To disable this feature, open Settings. Now tap General. Now scroll down and tap Background App Refresh. Now tap Background App Refresh, which is on at the moment, and turn it off to improve your iPhone's performance. Number 2. Location Services. Location Services enables your GPS to access your location for features like navigation, weather updates and more. While useful, this setting consumes significant amount of battery and system resources. The good news is that it doesn't need to be active for every app. You can manage these permissions by going to the settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security. Now tap Location Services and open apps one by one, and make sure to off for while using app option to save battery life and improve performance. Number 3. Push Email. Push Email constantly checks your device for new emails and delivers them instantly. While this ensures you never miss an update, it significantly increases CPU usage and drains your battery. If you don't mind a slight delay in receiving emails, you can adjust these settings. First open Settings. Now scroll all the way down. Tap Apps. Now tap Mail. Tap Mail Accounts. Then tap Fetch New Data and set less frequent schedule to conserve battery and resources. At the moment it is set as automatically, but you can set as manually, hourly, every 30 minutes or every 15 minutes. Number 4. Visual Effects and Animations. Visual effects like app transitions and animated lock screen movements enhance your phone's aesthetic appeal but take a toll on its speed and battery life. This feature consumes significant amount of your phone's memory, slowing down your device over time. To disable this effect, open Settings. Now tap Accessibility, tap Motion, and here you will find an option Reduce Motion. Just enable this option and this will disable motion effects and excessive animations. Your phone may appear less dynamic, but it will run faster and more efficiently. So try out these 4 settings and you will find significant improvement in your phone's performance. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.